I spent a full 24 hours glued to my screen. Diving deep into the rabbit hole of how to make $100 a day online, I clicked on everything's sketchy ads. Super polished guru videos, obscure forum posts. My mission was simple: find the absolute easiest, fastest way to make that money. And after wading through a sea of promises, I'm here to tell you the truth. First, let's talk about what didn't work. The get-rich-quick schemes are everywhere. Just click this button and earn, or invest $100 and get $1,000 back tomorrow. Spoiler alert, they're mostly traps. Paid surveys? Sure, you can make a few bucks, but it's more like a few dollars a day, not 100. You'd have to complete thousands of surveys, and honestly, who has time for that? Dropshipping also came up a lot. It sounds easy, you just sell stuff without ever touching it, but the reality is you need to be a marketing genius, handle customer service, and find a product that people actually want to buy. It's a real business, not a passive income machine from day one. So, after filtering out all the noise, what was left? What actually has the potential to make you $100 a day? The answer isn't glamorous, and it's definitely not easy in the way the internet promises. The most realistic paths I found all have one thing in common. They require you to learn and apply a valuable skill. The top contender was freelance work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are filled with people making good money. I saw listings for graphic designers, video editors, writers, virtual assistants, and coders. The key here is you need a skill that people are willing to pay for. It's not about finding a secret hack. It's about being good at something. For example, if you're a decent writer, you could find gigs writing blog posts or website copy. A few articles a day could easily get you to that $100 mark. Same goes for video editing or social media management. It's real work, but it's flexible, and you can do it from anywhere. Another major area was content creation. Think YouTube, blogging, or even building a following on Instagram or TikTok. This is a long game. You won't make $100 on your first day, or probably even in your first few months. But if you consistently create valuable or entertaining content for a specific audience, you can build an income stream through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's a grind, but the earning potential is huge if you stick with it. It's about building a community and a brand, not just chasing a quick buck. Finally, there's selling digital or physical products. This could be anything from an ebook you wrote, a course you created, or handmade crafts you sell on Etsy. This combines a skill like writing or crafting with marketing. You have to create something of value, and then learn how to get it in front of the right people. It gives you full control, but it also means you're responsible for everything. So here's the honest truth I learned after 24 hours of searching. There's no magical, easy button to make $100 a day. The internet isn't a magical ATM. The real secret is to stop looking for a shortcut and start investing in yourself. Pick a skill: writing, design, video editing, coding, anything you find interesting, and get good at it. Then, offer that skill to others. That's the most reliable, sustainable way to build an income online. It takes time and effort, but unlike the get-rich-quick schemes, it actually works. Forget the hype and focus on building real value. Thanks for watching. If this helped cut through some of the online noise for you, give this video a like and subscribe for more honest truths about making money online. See you next time.